Well, thank you for attending this presentation. My name is Fernando Diez. I am Scientific Business Development Manager for HCG, and I'm going to give a presentation about HPMC capsules technology. First of all, let me introduce my company. HCG means Associated Capsules Group, and here is the most important locations in the world. We have 5 factories, 1 factory in Europe, 4 factories in India, and we have a new factory that starts to operate in Brazil next year. Well, I have divided the presentation into 4 parts. In the first part, we're going to make a short introduction about capsules and tablets. As you know, when we choose the oral route, we have 2 possibilities. We have to choose capsules, or we have to choose tablets. In this first part, we're going to give some figures in order to know what is the trend in the pharma market. Afterwards, we're going to talk about the capsules types. Apart from HPMC capsules, there are another capsules on the market, and in this point, we are going to justify the development of HPMC capsules. In third part, we are going to talk about, this is the core of the presentation, HPMC capsules, hydroxypropyl methylcellulose capsules. We are going to describe the types of HPMC capsules, we are going to talk about the properties, and we are going to explain the advantages of using these HPMC capsules. And finally, we are going to talk about the future of this product. This product is new, relatively new. It was developed in 2001, 2002, but we're going to show some figures about what is the expectation of this product. I would like to emphasize that the HPMC capsules technology is a very large area. I will try to describe this technology in 25, 30 minutes, no more. I will try to catch the essential points of this technology. Well, let's start with capsules versus tablets. Well, here in this slide, we can see what is the situation of these 2 dosage forms. These are statisticals about the new chemical entities approved in Europe by EMEA and America by FDA. We have considered these products, and we have classified according to the dosage form: tablets, capsules, injections, and other dosage forms. We have considered 2 periods of time, 2007 and 2015. As you can see, in 2007, this is the green column, the number 1 was tablets, number 2 injection, and afterwards capsules and others. But in 2015, the situation has turned upside down because the number 1 is injection. The reason is the growth of biologic. The number 2 is tablets, afterwards capsules, and afterwards others. But perhaps the most important feature of this slide is the ratio between tablets and capsules. We can see that in 2007, the ratio tablets capsules was around 5. That means that every 5 products in tablets, 1 product in capsule was developed. In 2015, the situation has changed. The ratio is 2. Every 2 products in tablets, 1 product in capsule was developed. As you can see, there is a growing trend for using capsules in the pharmaceutical marketplace. This fact can be confirmed in the following slide. We can see the top 10 drugs will be launched in 2017. As you can see, 3 products will be launched in capsules: the niraparib, baricitinib, and Ingrezza. As you can see, there is a growing demand for capsules in the pharmaceutical marketplace. Well, let's go to the capsules types. If we summarize the technology, we can make out 3 types of capsules. Gelatin capsules. Gelatin capsule is the standard. It was developed in the 19th century, and this is the capsule most used. Gelatin PEG. Gelatin PEG it was developed in 1992. It's very similar to gelatin. The only difference is 1 additive called PEG, polyethylene glycol, is added. The reason of this development is to overcome the brittleness issue of gelatin. And finally, hydroxypropyl methylcellulose capsules. This product was developed in 2001, 2002, and tried to keep the good properties of gelatin capsules and overcome the issues. Well, here you have the most important properties of these three types of capsules. Well, I'm going to focus only on gelatin and HPMC because are the most important. Regarding to other origin, gelatin is animal, HPMC is vegetable. The structure gelatin is a protein, HPMC is cellulose. Perhaps the most important difference is the moisture content. Moisture content for gelatin is between 13 and 16, while HPMC is between 3 and 8. This is one of the most important advantages of this HPMC capsule. The second important significant advantage is the brittleness and low relative humidity. In gelatin capsules, water acts as a plasticizer. That means that when the capsule loses water, for example, what we try to encapsulate an hygroscopical product, or we submit the capsule at low relative humidity, the gelatin capsule yields brittleness. In HPMC capsules, water does not act as a plasticizer. Then we don't yield brittleness at low relative humidity. And finally, gelatin is a protein, and because of this, we have the problem of cross-linking. Well, cross-linking is a phenomenon that is not well understood. This is an increase of the molecular weight of the gelatin, and because of this, the capsule is not dissolved. HPMC capsule, because of the origin, does not yield cross-linking problems. Well, let's go to the core of the presentation. Let's go to the HPMC capsules. Well, first of all, we can make out two types of HPMC capsules. With gelling agent, the ACG brand name is Nature Caps, and without gelling agent, the ACG brand name is Nature Cap Plus. Well, the way of making these two types of capsule is completely different. For Nature Caps, for capsules with gelling agent, the composition is the HPMC polymer, it's a powder. We are using a gelling agent. This is an additive that enables the gelation, and a gelling promoter. The way of making this capsule is dissolving these three additives at 55 degrees and dipping a pin with the capsule shape at 25 degrees into the bath. Because of the temperature difference, the liquid becomes solid because of the gelation process, and the capsules can be made. In the case of the capsule without gelling agent, the capsule manufacturing is completely different. In this case, the pin is introduced into the bath at a temperature between 70 and 80 degrees. Because of the solvent evaporation, the viscosity increases. The liquid becomes solid, and we have the capsule. In this slide, you can see in the blue line the evolution of the viscosity with temperature in the case of capsule without gelling agent. In the green line, we have the evolution of viscosity with temperature in the case of capsules with gelling agent. Well, I would say that 75% of the capsules, HPMC in the capsules, are with gelling agent. 25% of the capsules are without gelling agent. Well, in the presentation, I'm going to refer only to HPMC capsules with gelling agent. Well, here you have a dissolution profile of Nature Caps, the HPMC capsule with gelling agent, with paracetamol at pH 1.2 using the paddle number 2 method. As you can see, at 15 minutes, over 80% of the product of the API is released. We can consider this dissolution profile equivalent to gelatin capsules. It's really important to know that not all the HPMC capsules from different suppliers has the similar dissolution profile. In gelatin, we can consider that dissolution profile is always the same. But here in this slide, we can see in green line, Nature Caps, ACG HPMC capsules, with the comparing the dissolution profile with another supplier. As you can see, there are significant differences between the dissolution profile of both HPMC capsules. Well, which are the advantages of HPMC capsules? Well, the first advantage is the low moisture content. We have mentioned in the property summary that the moisture content for HPMC capsules is between 3 and 8. In gelatin capsules, it's between 13 and 16. This moisture content difference gives us the possibility of encapsulated moisture-sensitive product. For example, dabigatran Pradaxa from Boehringer Ingelheim is a moisture-sensitive product. HPMC capsules are used for encapsulating this product. Second advantage, mechanical properties. HPMC capsules are more elastic than gelatin capsules. And besides, as I have explained before, there is no brittleness and low relative humidity. This is very interesting because this property enables us to encapsulate hygroscopical product. For example, omeprazole. Omeprazole is hygroscopical, takes water from the capsule, and with HPMC capsule, brittle does not happen. Third advantage of HPMC capsules, the lack of cross-linking. As I have mentioned before, in gelatin, with some APIs, with some excipients, gelatin capsule yield cross-linking. HPMC does not yield cross-linking. And the fourth advantage of this HPMC capsule, the interaction with APIs. There are some APIs that interact with gelatin. HPMC capsule, the interaction and ambient temperature is very strange. One example is C-vitamin, ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid in gelatin capsules yield chemical reaction. The capsule gets yellow. With HPMC, this interaction does not happen. Well, I would like to show a very interesting property of HPMC capsules. Capsule moisture content depends on the relative humidity at which the capsule is stored. Here you can see the correlation of relative humidity versus capsule's moisture content. As you can see, it's an exponential fitting. You can see, for example, that if we store the capsule at 50% relative humidity, finally we have around 5% of capsule moisture content. But for example, if we store the capsule at 10% relative humidity, the final moisture content is around 1%. We can make use of this property for encapsulating moisture-sensitive product. There are some clients that products that the client receives the capsules. It's important to know that the capsules are received inside the specification between 3 and 8. And after filling the capsule is stored at 10% relative humidity. This is the standard relative humidity of lithium chloride. Then, after equilibrium time, the final capsule moisture content is 1%. Then, after this process, the capsule is packaging and blistering. Finally, our API is exposed at a moisture content around 1%. Then, the degradation of the API is lower, and the expiration date of this API is longer too. Well, HPMC capsules are not only used for oral dosage form. They are used for another interesting application, for inhalation. In inhalation is really, well, the technology is completely different. In this case, the solution is not very important. What is important is the mechanical properties. We are going to see that there is a process called puncturing, where the capsule must be strong enough to resist this puncturing. In this case, for making this HPMC capsule, an HPMC polymer with higher molecular weight is used. Here you have a summary of the process of inhalation. The capsule is introduced into a device. Pressing the device, the capsule is punctured, and after inspiration, the dry powder goes to the lung. It's really very interesting and very critical that in this technology, particle size does matter. Are only effective the particles whose size is in the range between 1 and 5 microns. Well, here you have some photos about some device. The capsule is punctured. And here you have some photos about the hole made in the capsule. I insist that in this technology, they are really critical, the mechanical properties. Because of this, it's very important that the capsule is elastic. The second part of the process is the spinning of the capsule. the momentum of inertia of the capsule is very low, and because of this, the rotation speed is very high. Speeds around 2,400 RPM are reached. For your information, a washing machine, the rotational speed is around 1,800. Because of this rotation speed, the powder is deagglomerated, and finally we can get the particle size range between 1 and 5 microns. Here you have well, some photos taken by computational fluid dynamics from University of Sydney. In this technology, we introduce some inputs as capsule dimension, device dimension, powder density. Applying the Navier-Stokes equation, we can see the speed of the powder leaving the capsule. As you can see, we can get speeds around 25 meters per second. Well, another application of this HPMC capsule is liquid filling. Well, why is interesting liquid filling? Well, now the easy molecules were already discovered. Now the new molecules has a very complicated chemical structure, and besides, the molecular weight is very high. Because of this, all these molecules can be considered as class 2 according to the BCS classification. These class 2 molecules has low solubility and high permeability. That means that the bioavailability of these APIs is very low. In order to increase this bioavailability, the powder can be solved into a liquid. We can use HPMC capsules for this purpose. This is the structure of the capsule. As you can see, there is one additional feature. The capsule must be sealed in order to avoid leakage. Well, I would like to say that the composition of this HPMC capsule is the same as HPMC capsules for oral dosage form, but there is a significant difference in the dimension, in the shape, in the gap between cap and body. Sealing process is not complicated, but we have to pay attention. The capsule should have a specific dimension in order the process is successful. Very interesting in this technology is the compatibility of the solvent. The solvent we have used to dissolve our API must be compatible with our HPMC capsule. HPMC show good compatibility with most of the oils. Obviously, if we go to polar solvents, for example, polyethylene glycol or ethanol or even water, the capsule is not compatible. Well, this technology is more and more used for biological products in order to increase the bioavailability of the API. Well, and finally, we're going to talk about the future of this product. The product is new. It was developed in 2001, 2002. But what is the future of the HPMC capsules? Well, here you have one statistic. This is the billions of capsules, 1 billion, 1,000 million capsules of HPMC capsules worldwide in the time. Figures from 2012 to 2016 are real figures. From 2017 to 2022, they are estimations. As you can see, in 2012, the figure is around 28 billions of capsules. In 2017, we are over 50, and it's expected that in 2022, we are over 70 billions of capsules. As you can see, there is a very interesting future, but for this product. Well, finally saying that my company, okay, we try to have a good HPMC capsule portfolio. Apart from gelatin capsules, we have HPMC capsule, nature caps with gelling agent, nature cap plus without gelling agent, SFlow for HPMC capsules for dry powder inhalation, and FlowFit HPMC capsules for liquid filling. Well, that's all. If you have any question, please feel free to ask. Saying that we have an R&D center in Mumbai, we are agreements with important university. We are continuously generating data. And now or in the future you have some doubt or you want some information, please contact us.
Thank you. Any questions?